Hopefully you've seen our video and taken advantage of the Hurricane Preparedness Tax Holiday and bought items for your kit, started your kit, or enhanced your emergency preparedness kit for your office, your home, or your vehicle. Now's the time to actually practice and put into practice those items, familiarize your family where they're located and actually how to use those items in case of real emergency. Performing an emergency drill is a great way for families to become familiar with those items. You can ease fear and anxiety in case an emergency does occur. Take advantage of a thunderstorm or an opportunity where all the family is at home on an evening or a weekend. Simulate a power outage by shutting off the lights. Gather the family in your safe location in the center of the house or in the basement. Open up your kit and practice your kit. Turn on the flashlights, lanterns, or other light source. Turn on your weather radio, and if it's hand crank, have one of the family members power it up by cranking the radio. This helps them become more familiar with the radio and become part of the exercise. If cold, pass out blankets. Maybe play a game to pass the time during the exercise. Keeping the family busy will ease anxiety, especially if a real emergency does occur. Stress the need to keep the family in one central location to wait out the storm. Provide a snack and drinks from the kit to practice using it and keep people comfortable. Once the drill is complete, ask the family how it went. Find out if they have recommendations to add to the kit, and in case of a real emergency, what suggestions do they have to make things better for the kit and for the family plan. Also, think about other ways to exercise the kit. A family picnic could turn into a simulated breakdown where you use the kit from the back of your vehicle to keep people comfortable until help arrives. By doing these drills, the family becomes more familiar with the items in the kits and become more comfortable in case a real emergency does occur. And for more information, go to our website, www.fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency.